You don't know what ITBs are, do you? What's ITB stand for?
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
What's good, CJ?
Stop disrespecting Watanabes.
He needs to get a little crazy.
Stop disrespecting Watanabes. Get them.
Okay. You're about to feel like a fucking idiot.
You're disrespecting Watanabes.
No, you're an idiot.
You don't understand.
You don't understand.
You don't understand. You clearly don't understand.
They're pretty.
Ew, what the fuck are those? Adrian's face. You're gonna get roasted for this right now.
They can fucking. You did a fucking whole video of me getting roasted
with Nick.
Nick can suck my fucking dick.
It wasn't me. You came at me too. I still didn't say anything. Like, car's still slow. I said no words. I let
Charlie
you.
weighs so much because it's fucking made of all Bondo. Shit.
What? Me?
Relax.
I didn't even say anything to you. You're still trying to roast me. That's it. That's it.
It's even worse
That's it.
than black. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you zooming
That's
out?
it. That's it.
It's fucking.
That's
fire.
it.
It's fire.
The fender's not. My God.
Come to me.
Come to me.
That fucking.
Oh, it's a trash can.
Oh my god.
What?
Yeah, that was
You
one.
see him hop?
He's black.
How do you pronounce that?
Specialty.
Jarritos. Jarritos.
No.
Marigatos.
Can you? We're in America.
Jarritos.
Focus.
Jarritos.
Pronounce it.
Ja. Bruh. Jar. Ritos.
Jarritos.
It's getting whiter and whiter by the minute. Where's this from? What country?
He don't ask. I don't know. Mandarin.
Mandarin.
We're done.
No, his favorite band is Cambridge Paving Stone.
Cambridge Paving Stones. With armor tech?
Yeah.
Yes.
They always look like new.
Cambridge with Armortech. The proof is in the paver.
Cambridge, paving stones with Armortech will always look like new.
It's not my car. It's for
Yo,
sale.
can we just take the spring out and weld it?
I buy those.
We're gonna put those on the Z, guys.
It's gonna be slammed.
Look what I'm buying for my car.
Or do the hockey pucks?
Every bushel on this car.
Alright. Only a couple of your followers will understand what I'm about to do.
Those look like piston holes.
No. It's a throttle body.
Why do you need 4 throttle bodies?
I have a 4-cylinder. You don't know what ITBs are, do you? What's ITB stand for? What's ITB? It's a. I swear to God.
Internal
No.
transmission bracket.
Say it.
That was clever, but
Well, obviously TB is throttle body.
Alright, now there's 4 of them. I have 4 cylinders.
Individual throttle body.
There it is.
Say that.
Okay, so ITBs are only on really fast cars. I'm gonna have a really slow car that looks extremely fast.
It looks extremely fast.
So you don't have to be fast to look fast.
Hear that?
Knowledge.
But you also don't have to look slow.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
What?
Knowledge.
I just look slow, so like.
You are so.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my God, put it in my butt.
Watch
your
your
fingers.
fingers.
Just me out of things.
Wait, are they? Is it fucking zip tied?
Wait, hold on, I have a plan.
No way.
No.
that shit
Wait, what is this?
I like that.
I like that.
Yo, Nick.
Hold on, can I just slam it against the ground and see what happens? Don't let the what?
Don't leave the parts. Oh no, you gotta do it harder than that. Straight down. Oh! I think concrete came up right there, right? Throw it straight up.
Nick, you're supposed to loosen the top piece first.
He's doing that pretty close to your car.
Don't tell him. No! That's some sparks.
You better fucking stop.
Oh my god. Oh! Dude, he almost just broke his ankle. I don't know if I caught that because he walked in front.
Straighter than when it was in my car.
It fixed it.
Straighter than when it was in my fucking car.
Let's go.
Oh my god, I went walking today in the mall and I was wearing your shirt.
What shirt?
Reppin'.
What?
You have a shirt? You have a shirt?
I have a shirt.
And I don't.
She paid for it.
I can pay for it too.
His people? It's for his people's baseball. Oh!
Let's see your inner. Oh!
You fucked up.
Basket.
I'm not built for this.
Big Daddy Anton.
Getting old.
Getting old.
Another inch lower? I kind of want to take 19s. They want to cut my rears. And tuck it.
I think I'm gonna bust ass.
Yes or no?
You just reminded me that.
Everyone on the internet when he said 19s.
Big wanking.
Close. Come on, bro. White rice.
What kind of?
You have to make your license plate white rice.
Oh, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
Don't hurt yourself.
Whose car is this? Over them.
Who the fuck is that? Anton. My girlfriend.
Look at that license plate. Look
Anton.
at that license plate.
My girl.
Stop it.
Can you go like this?
She's not really my girlfriend. Just like,
Right here.
I can't say that. Girls get mad. She's
Oh wait, how many people?
Girls like dick, and that shit's gay.
Hey!
This meme fucking sucks.
This guy's looking.
What is?
No.
Hey!
This guy's looking.
Oh
It's
yeah.
not a discussion.
wait, I might have point
Wait,
open.
it's not loading. It's not loading.
This is a discussion.
It's not a discussion. The Gen 2 has
Hold
the.
on, hold on. Pull up Gen 3, I'll pull up Gen 2.
All right. Make sure it's not a
That's not a Gen 2. That's
Yo.
a Gen 1, you idiot. And that's not even an SRT.
I typed in Gen 1.
Here we go.
Then why don't you look it up?
Charger.
Wait, here's a Gen 2.
Just look up 20.
Human feces.
Oh nah.
Nah,
Are you
you're bugging, bro.
Are
You're
you
bugging.
out of your fucking mind?
It doesn't look bad, but the newer ones.
The newer ones.
They look
wait,
way
what?
better.
The newer ones, they cleaned it up.
The newer Charger is the more aggressive.
Go fucking.
When I see this behind me,
That
I'm
looks
like,
good.
goddamn.
That looks so
That
much
looks like it's
better.
gonna fuck my day up,
That
bro.
looks.
And look at the back.
Yeah, this is stock.
Like, you gonna get a fucking refund?
Look at that.
The fenders that they sent you?
Did you see the picture?
Oh
he put up?
yeah.
Bro, I saw it. I was like, holy fuck. Yeah, how did they come like that? Like,
They didn't come like that. But I did that.
Let him tell the story of why he did that to his friend.
All right, so.
Oh, you did it?
Please. Yeah, I did it. They sent them to me, right? They
sent
sent
me
it to me.
emails,
They
I
were
was
bent
dead.
to shit.
Yeah.
They weren't as bad as the pictures that I put up, but they were like dented in little places.
Yeah.
And literally one of them, it looked like someone was just like, yo. Send it to him. So and then when I hit them up and we were like, yo, can you send me a refund? Well, like, what's going on here?
Send me
And they
new
were-
ones?
And then they were like, what the fuck did they say? They were like, we need you to do a field destroy beyond use. Send us pictures, and then we can proceed with the process.
Oh, that's.
So I was like, okay, all right, and I just bent the shit out of them.
It looked like
You
he
didn't
took
even question
tinfoil
them?
and just.
What?
You didn't question them?
I can't use them anyway.
I would have been like, wait, let's just put this like so it's like, you want me to destroy these? I would have been like, I would have.
Field destroy beyond use. What do you think that means?
I would have like.
They have to come destroy. Not supposed to destroy them yourself.
Well, I destroyed them.
I know. Destroy them.
I still have them.
How bad were the How bad did you fuck up the fenders?
can't.
It looks like you took tinfoil and just crushed it.
I want to see it now.
They're not that bad. They're not that bad. They're just like.
No, it looks pretty.
You ever see like? You ever see like?
They're shot.
Can you
fucking
are
weird
they
guys
fixed?
that-
Oh wow!
Oh
They're
wow.
like basic 240 fenders.
Yo.
You ever see that kid Andrew O's fenders? They're like that.
Andrew's fenders are.
What are you doing with that?
It's clobbering time. Why?
Clobbering time.
You think your charge is more aggressive? Why do they sell it? Oh, the Civic's more aggressive.
Selling chocolate.
Oh my god. What are they selling? What? Chocolate! I remember when they first invented chocolate. I always hated them. I always hated it. I'll buy 2.
Oh, she said
Mary, stop rubbing that chocolate. Stop rubbing.
You said that in one of your videos.
Can you do the Mike Wazowski?
This shit was so funny.
Stop rubbing. Stop. Oh, the smug. She's like Mike Wazowski. I'm not an object for your amusement.
Lift! 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 His face is in pure disappointment.
Alright, it's fine. Don't say bye.
How you think this would look when it now left in? Huh? You better show up with some yoo-hoo next time.
Yeah, boy.
Go.
No.
Dip, spit, chug.
Oh no.